This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by opening the camera app on your Oppo A12 and switching to photo or the scan mode if visible. Make sure you have granted camera permission so scanning works. If the code points to a website, you also need internet. Once done, position the phone 6 to 12 inches from the QR and fill the frame without touching the screen, because steady focus helps the sensor read the pattern quickly. You'll see a small banner, notification, or lens icon once the camera recognizes the QR. Tap that immediately to view the result. If the camera doesn't show anything, enable Google Lens within camera settings or open the Google app and use Lens. This reads codes reliably. After tapping the detected link or content, you can preview it, choose to open it in your browser, copy the URL, or share it. To finish, take the action the QR suggests. Save a contact, bookmark a page, or join Wi-Fi by following the on-screen prompts. You should confirm permissions when installing apps or connecting to networks. This prevents accidental installs. If scanning fails, make sure camera permission is enabled in settings. Wipe the lens, restart the phone, and try again. If it still fails, install a reputable QR scanner app or enable Google Lens. That usually resolves stubborn recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.